is raining. I know you can hear it in the back. What I'm going to do now, that was a lightning. I'm afraid of the lightning. I'm going to go in my room now. So guys, here I have a hot pepper. Look at it. A very hot pepper. It has already been washed. So I'm going to put it in the pot. Show them. Yeah, how you doing? And we have, this is the type of noodle I have. I'm not going to break it. Gonna put it in there just like that. Make it more difficult. Joel, stop now, no? Bob. Catch you in a bit, guys. So guys, this is what I have. I put whatever. So I'm going to pour some of this pepper in it. Crushed pepper. It's very hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another guest on this lovely channel. It is no other than Aisha, Nisha, my sister, my favorite sister. If my other sisters are seen, I love you guys, but I don't know what said. Me and this is the one you have the band already. Also guys, it is a rainy day. Thunder is rolling heavily and rain is falling, so if you hear that in the background, just know it is nature. All right, so today we will be doing the hot spicy noodle challenge, and we're gonna start off by playing rock paper scissors. Shoot, come, let's go. Rock paper scissors. You're fucked up, you know? Yeah. Come, where you gone? Anyway, come. Alright, play. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're dead, me shoot you. Anyways, come, let's go. Hey. So guys, I know you can hear the thunder in the background. Oh, guys, yeah. You fool. Me don't like it, guys. My brother, over there, sir, you know, give me a joke. Joy, come up and be with you. Go on, Joy, do. mash up when you're Is that too wicked enough? I have to eat enough. If I eat fast, so we dead. Stop it! I'm not doing no more paper challenge. God no. I'm not doing no more food challenge. You don't fit me. What? Eh? Oh, that feel. What do you? Where is it? Let me see your eyes. Jesus. No, man. I can't drink your milk. First person for drinking milk, lose. First person for drinking milk, lose. Wrong with me. Wait, don't laugh. I can't drink your milk. Drink your milk. Drink your milk now.
The first person that drink the milk.
Oh, drink your milk, man. Drink your milk, Naja.
Drink yours first.
You're not good. You put too much of that mine. So guys, the winner is
Aisha.
the winner is
Me.
the winner is
Me.
she won. So I guess it was a fair match. So she can drink. She can drink, that's true. She can drink. Of course. So there you have it, guys. Food challenge is not for me. Because me always a laugh. Me don't know why me always a laugh. I always a laugh. I make my sister come win me again. Poor me. Poor me. If ever hat no, I never know say. I say people with a hat. Anyways, guys, if you want a part 2 or you think we should start the food challenge, just let me know. Kind of fit me. It don't fit me at all. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. It is raining. I know you can hear it in the back. What I'm going to do now, that was a lightning. I'm afraid of the lightning. I'm going to go in my room now and I've got my pillow. Bye guys.
Bye.